In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to thumb a column in Notion through a simple step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're handling personal budgets, organizing team expenses, or managing project data, summing columns is a key feature of Notion that can significantly enhance your data management capabilities. Let's dive right in. To start, open Notion and create a new page. Once you're in Notion, look towards the sidebar and you'll find an easy option to add a new page. This is where your table and its data will live. Creating a new page is straightforward, and it serves as a fresh workspace that you can use to organize and analyze your information efficiently. Next, type in the command /choose table. This is a quick way to bring up the table creation menu. Notion's /command is a neat feature that helps to streamline your actions, allowing you to focus more on your work and less on navigating through menus. Once you see the option for table appear, go ahead and click on it. Doing this will create a table in your newly opened page, giving you a clear structure to start entering your data. The next step is to click on Add Property. This is where you define the type of data each column will handle. Right now, your table columns are empty, and Add Property allows you to specify what kind of data each column will house, which is crucial for organization and calculation. Select Number as the property type. This tells Notion you're planning to input numerical data in this column, which is necessary for performing any arithmetic calculations. By specifying the type, you're ensuring Notion recognizes the data format, allowing for precise calculations and data handling. With your new number property column in place, click on the table cell where you'd like to add numbers for summation. Enter your data here, row by row, and make sure all your numeric data is properly entered. This is where preparation pays off, as having neatly organized data saves time later. After inputting your numbers, click on Number again. This action prepares your column for the next steps, leading towards the summation of the numbers you just entered. This reaffirms that your data is recognized as numerical, setting the stage for further calculations. Now, find and click Calculate at the bottom of your page interface. This brings up a menu of calculation options that Notion provides, allowing you to easily perform basic arithmetic functions on your data. With the calculation options visible, look for and click on More Options. Doing so will give you a range of additional functionalities, so you can choose exactly how you wish to analyze your data in Notion. Finally, select Sum from the list of options. This will immediately calculate the sum of the numbers in your column, displaying the total beneath it. It's as simple as that, and now you have your result, ready for further analysis or reporting, and there you have it, an easy way to sum columns in Notion. With this truly user-friendly tool, managing and analyzing data becomes a seamless experience.